We want to talk about cell phones because a lot of people are wondering what happens when you take out a cell phone and you use it, and if there's some kind of radiation that's involved. And you actually, and you might want to do this yourself. If you go to your iPhone, for example, and you hit settings, and after you go to settings, you essentially can go to the settings in general, and then go all the way down to a little thing that says legal. So you go to settings, then you go to general, and then you go to legal, right? And when you go to legal, it actually, I didn't know this, I just learned this. You can go on your cell phone. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it on your cell phone, and there's a setting right there at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. See, it says RF exposure. RF exposure. I had no idea. And when you go to your cell phone and you read this, you can find out how they do this test and where you're actually supposed to carry your phone. And they said that you're not supposed to carry your phone so close to your body. Because when they do the test, they do it away from the body. Isn't that fascinating? So we wanted to know more about this, so we decided to look into this study. United States released the results of the world's largest and most expensive study on the effects of cell phone radiation. Now, it's based on tests on rats, of course, but what they found is clear evidence of cancer. Today, and this is why we wanted to look into this, Food and Drug Administration, which called for the creation of the program in the first place, is now casting doubt on these findings. Here's RT correspondent Dan Cohen with the story.
Back in 1999, the Food and Drug Administration requested that the National Toxicology Program study the effects of cell phone radiation on humans. The FDA's original letter said, quote, "A significant research effort, including well-planned animal experiments, is needed to provide the basis to assess the risk to human health of wireless communication devices." 19 years later, the $25 million program has concluded. The results? Clear evidence of tumors in the hearts of male rats, some evidence of tumors in the brains of male rats, and some evidence of tumors in the adrenal glands of male rats. The FDA released a statement saying it disagrees with the conclusion of clear evidence of cancer in rodents.
They're clearly just ignoring the evidence. I can't believe they're ignorant of the studies that have shown repeatedly in many countries that excessive cell phone use increases the risk of glioblastoma especially, and also schwannomas of the auditory nerve. This is frosting on the cake in terms of that evidence, and I can't understand how any legitimate scientist can ignore that